Hey y'all, welcome back to Hearts and the Plan. It is Brittany. I usually get right into my planning when I do these videos, but my intent this year was to have more intros with me in them. But this one is very special, so I really wanted to pop in here. So my Happy Planner 2021 stuff just arrived today. Most of my stuff is from the actual Mambi website, and then one thing is from Joanne. So I'm excited, y'all. So I decided I wanted to get, of course, a catch-all horizontal. I wanted to get a mini for, I really don't know what I'm going to use my mini for yet. Probably self-care and wellness. And then I have a second classic planner. Wait, I have like three or four, because I have one for social media that I'm going to be franken planning, because the teacher layout is perfect for social media. So I decided to get a teacher planner from Joanne, because there's not a lot of teacher planners left over, but I found one at Joanne online, and I'm going to be franken planning that one with a different planner. So I'm going to be showing you guys all that in this video. Actually, this year with the Happy Planner, I didn't buy as much stuff as I did with the release from last year. And I don't know, I just think they're gearing up for like the Disney release and everything, so they didn't have as much to choose from. I think I only bought like 3 or 4 sticker books. Last year I bought like 10 sticker books. It was crazy. So I'm kind of glad that I got kind of a modest amount of things. So I'm going to be unboxing everything with you guys for the first time. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you are new here, please consider subscribing before you leave for more content. I'm going to try to be more active over here. I typically post like once a week, just my weekly plan with me. But I'm going to try to be more active and come up with some different kinds of content for you guys over here. And I say over here because I do have a beauty channel called the Hearts and Cake 90. That's like my main focus. But planning is essential. I use my planner every single day. So I do want to be more active over here, as well as my Instagram, which is Hearts and the Plan. So let's get into this unboxing. Okay, so I'm going to open my Joanne package first. Ooh la la. So here is my teacher planner here. I am not a teacher anymore, but this is undated as well. So this is going to be my social media planner. I'm not keeping like the covers and everything. I'm going to be franken planning with this planner, because if you've been following me since my Planner Babe journey started at the beginning of 2019, end of 2018, I used to take my vertical and just divide it up like this with the subjects right here, and then that's how I did my social media planner. But now I don't have to do that. All I have to do, I still have to do some like, you know, changing of things, but that's not a big deal. I like how this is laid out, so I can have like YouTube uploads, Instagram, I could do my beauty Instagram, my planning Instagram, all of that here. I just have to figure out my categories and make it work for me. But this is gonna be great. It's gonna be great. I'm gonna be franken planning. So yeah, sorry if I was out of frame, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing with this. So let's get into the stuff that I got from the Mambi website. And I will be doing flip throughs separately with my sticker books. In the past, I wouldn't do flip throughs like that. Like the last release we had like in March or something like that, I didn't do one because I was like, oh, the big time Planner Babes already did them. Why would anybody want to watch mine? But no, somebody wants to watch mine too. So I'm gonna do that for you guys in a separate video. Ooh, this is called You Are Golden. And I thought this was so cute. I have a notebook, like a Happy Notes that looks kind of like this. So I wanted to pick this up. This is horizontal. I'm thinking I'm going to use this for wellness, because I realized I'm using a classic right now for wellness and I barely use it. But a lot of the space I don't even use in there. So I was like, I have too much space with that. So I went with a mini this time, and we'll see how that goes. My stickers, I'll show you guys those in a second. here, this is the Leopard Everything planner. I knew right away this was gonna be one of my planners for 2021. It has a lot of neutrals in here. I'll probably do a separate flip through of this one as well, but this has a lot of beautiful fonts. Like, you can already tell, beautiful fonts in here. Leopard Everything, it has a lot of neutrals, and of 2021, I'm doing a horizontal layout for my catch-all again because I loved it this year. So I've been completely converted in 2020 to a horizontal. So super cute. And then this one here, I was not gonna get this, but this is what I'm gonna be franken planning with my teacher planner, because look at the rings, the marble rings, gorgeous, oh my gosh. And then I loved the pinks and everything, like the desert theme. Oh, that is stunning. So I'm gonna take all my teacher stuff out of that planner, and this is gonna be my social media. Look at the colors of the tabs. I'm gonna do a flip through of all this stuff like throughout the week, so you guys can just come back and look at it if you still haven't bought your stuff yet. Boom. So let's look at the sticker books that I got, and I'm gonna do a flip through of each one. So I got the fall sticker book. I got the fall sticker book last year as well, and I used it quite a bit, but this one is different. It does have some different stuff in it. I've already watched some flip through videos, but it's been a while, like a week or so. So I'm gonna do a flip through for you guys for this one. And then I picked up winter. Super, super cute. It has a lot of different animals. It has sweaters in there. I cannot wait to use that. And then I picked up Savvy Saver. Because I do have like a separate catch-all and social media planner, I figure I can, you know, put a lot more like bills and stuff in my catch-all than I usually do. Oh man, oh my gosh, this is gonna be good. I'm gonna do a flip through of that. And then the last sticker book I got was Merry and Bright. This one is Christmas focused, and it has a lot of cute stuff in it. So that was everything that I got from the Happy Planner 2021 release. Yeah, I didn't get as much as I did last year, but I'm pretty happy with everything that I got so far. So I'm gonna be doing flip throughs of everything for you guys. So make sure you tune in to those videos and make sure you are subscribed. Turn on your notifications, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.